Over here we're building a fireplace with two waterfalls on the side. So fireplace, waterfall, water wall, and here's the outdoor patio cover. Here's a vanishing edge pool spa with a vanishing edge pool with playhouse, trampoline, and then here let's go up to the waterfall. Subtle waterfall here. We're gonna put a couple day beds out here. Day beds, and each of them has their own waterfall. Little stepping pads. Vanishing edge pool. And here we have a sunken fire sitting area, fire pit here, seating area here, outdoor grill, courtesy of Links, smoker, pizza oven, power teppanyaki grill, power burner, and the sink. Out here, back here, putting green. Take a look at the view. Down here, step down, sunken area, outdoor cooking. Beautiful vanishing edge when I was sitting down here. So when this is complete, we'll have a complete walkthrough and photo shoot and videos.